Well, when it comes to presenting your design in paper space or in the Pages palette, there are many ways to do it. One simple way is to create a block of everything that you want to put on a page. So if I wrap a box around all of this now, I've got to be a little careful here. Might have been, in fact, better to have started bottom right to do a crossing box and click there. Now I've got everything. And then I just right click, create a block. You can give it whatever name you want, but I'll call it block all. And I'll go OK. Then it's a matter of going to the Pages drop down and we'll create a new page. We'll click New. You can see we've got a number of them here. Rather than call it page 5, I'll call it Complete Design. And it might be useful to, at this stage, select a drawing sheet. So I want to put this, let's say, on an A2 sheet in album format, that is landscape format. So I'll go OK. And then I can right click and zoom extents. And now I'm ready to insert my block into this space. And as it comes in, I can give it a scale factor. So I can go Draw, Insert Block, and we've created that one called All. So it should be close to the top, and it is. That's important here when you pick scale to specify on the screen. That will give you a chance of picking a scale as it goes in. It may not be right, and you may need to change it later, but it'll give us an opportunity to do that. So I'll say OK, then asks for an insertion point, and I'll just click down here in the bottom left of the A2 sheet. Now it's asking me, if you look down in the command area, for the scale factor. I'll try it 0.01, which is 1 to 100, and that's an approved scale factor. And fortunately, it's come in reasonably well. So now all I have to do is to move it and put it in position on the sheet, which I've now done. And I can zoom extents to see the whole sheet. So the next stage will be putting my title block down through here. Now 1 to 100 is an approved scale, as is 1 to 50, 1 to 20, 1 to 10. But as you change different size sheets, different scales will work better for you than others. It'll always depend on you and your relationship with your print or copy center as to how you go. So here's a 1 to 100 scale, accurately scaled diagram or plan of our design on an A2 sheet. If we zoom in a little, we've got an internal scale as well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters, and that came from the full size model. So that's one way of getting our Pages palette, utilizing our Pages palette. Don't forget, you can draw in here, you can insert photographs in here, and in a moment we'll insert our title block in this space and put details of the site in here. The key issue is to accurately determine scale if you're going to put 1 to 100 or 1 to 200 down in that title block area. If you're not, you can always write not to scale, and you can use different sorts of scale factors as you're putting this in. You can even do it by eye. Well, I've now inserted the title block down here at the bottom of the A2 sheet. I've created a title block with some attributes, and it's possible to go settings and, where are we, attribute edit down here. Click on the block with attributes, and I can enter any information that I want at that point. What I have done is change the scale to match the scale that we used, which was 1 to 100. So I hope that shows you one way of simply moving stuff from your model into the paper space environment.